In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change PayPal password. If you want to update your PayPal password for better security, this process is quick and straightforward. Changing your password regularly is a good habit, especially if you think your current password is weak, reused on other websites, or simply outdated. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to enter, so you can complete the change smoothly. First, log into your PayPal account and look for the gear icon, which opens your account settings. This is usually located near the top of the page. Go ahead and click that gear icon to enter the settings area. Once you're in settings, find and click on Security. This section is where PayPal keeps important account protection options, including password management and other login related settings. If you're not sure where to look, just focus on the menu or tabs available in your account settings until you see Security. Inside the security section, look for the password option. When you find it, click Update. This will open the page where you can change your existing password to a new one. Now, start by typing in your current password. This step helps confirm that it's really you making the change. Make sure you enter it carefully, paying attention to capital letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, since passwords are case sensitive. After that, type your new password into the next field. Choose a password that's strong and unique. A good password usually combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. It's also best to avoid using obvious information or reusing a password from another account. This helps keep your PayPal account more secure. Next, type the new password again in the confirmation field. This is to make sure there are no typing mistakes. If the two new password entries don't match exactly, PayPal won't let you continue. So it's worth taking an extra second to double check. Once everything is filled in correctly, click Change Password. PayPal will then save the update, and your new password should take effect right away. After changing your password, it's a smart idea to store it somewhere secure, like a trusted password manager, so you don't forget it later. And that's it. Your PayPal password has been updated. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you change your PayPal password quickly and confidently.